17.
Yeah, that means it's easy. Where? 17. And the train's going 70 miles an hour. I've been doing algebra all week. Come at me. We made a 96 on our unit test today. Bring it. Oh, really? Yeah. I say we because I'm learning it. We can multiply the polynomials. He's like, Mom, he's like, I'm like, shit. Hey, but I mean, I can't help it. At this point, I've got to learn it with him if I'm going to get it. So, I'm with you.
Let's go, girls. No air. 0-3-1.
So, like, they made it.
Keep your head on the ball, kid. You got it.
Come on, Blue!
32-2.
3, 2, 2.
Come on, kid. Come on. Here we go.
Come on, Katie. You got it, Katie. Nice.
Hey, go, kid. Let's stay loud.
Get started. Hey, hold on. You need your legs. Where's the...
Hey, contact, what? Contact. What about?
3, 2, 1. Come on, Alexis.
Contact, yeah, here we go.
22-4.
2, 2, 4.
51-3.
5, 1, 3. Go. Close the cake.
Lady. Get outfield. Chip.
054. Miranda!
054. Got this, Miranda.
Ella, Chip. Hey, Chip. Chip.
Too slow.
Yeah. 32-2.
3, 2, 2. Hey, right here, babe. Right here.
One ball.
You got it, Brandon. You got it.
3, 1, 2. Randy, you got that. You got it, babe.
Hey, let's go.
Like full ball and open?
One, two, three, hit.
Get in trouble.
All right, let's go. Here we go. Hustle out. Hustle out. Let's go. Nobody in this dugout.
Hurry up, 3 down, Storm. Get in there. Take it off here. Take it off.
Oh, there, coming down.
Wait.
5-1-6. Hi, girls. Y'all talking?
Come on,